Hi there. Are you tired of making common mistakes while exercising? If so, you're not alone. In this short video, we'll go over the top 5 mistakes that people often make while working out. Number 1. Many women avoid lifting weights because they fear becoming too bulky. But strength training can help women build lean muscle mass and improve their overall fitness. Number 2. Doing only cardio can lead to a plateau in weight loss and be less effective in building muscle than strength training. It's important to have a balanced workout routine that includes both cardio and strength training. Number 3. Proper stretching is essential to prevent injury and improve flexibility. So make sure to not skip or rush through your stretching routine. Number 4. Staying hydrated is essential for any workout. Be sure to drink enough water before, during, and after exercise to prevent cramps and improve recovery. And finally, comparing oneself to others can lead to feelings of insecurity and discouragement. Remember, everyone has their own fitness journey, and progress should be measured by personal goals and improvements. So, there you have it. Keep these tips in mind and avoid making these common mistakes. Thanks for watching, and happy exercising. Please like and share to help others.